It's always been an honor to know Flor. I've known Flor for the longest time. When we were all just starting as a community leader, actually. She being the leader of the Sariaya Association, and my work as the president of the Lucena City Association at the same time. So we work together. I know her for a while, and I know her that she's a dedicated leader. She's a dedicated Quezonian who always think about other people. Napakaganda na kalooban ni Flor, sinasabi ko. Isa siya sa pinakabait na nakilala ko, and always, we've been always supporting each other. Kaya nga sabi ko, nung nakita ko si Melchor one time, nung nag-start pa si Melchor dito during the event, I think it's CNE, right? And I told him, bata-bata pa si Melchor noon. Hindi pa ganito ka-gabot noon. Pero bata-bata pa rin siya noon. I told him, Melchor, kasi mga taga-Quezonian kami. Kami mga Quezonian, we are really close to each other. We really care for each other. I know Melchor, Flor, and all these Dolores people. Mga magkakamag-anak mo lahat yan. We know them all along, and I told Melchor, I remember that, saying to him, sana makatagpo ka ng isang napakabait na dalaga para mag-permanente ka na dito sa Canada. Na tutulungan ka, bibigyan ka ng pansin, and then she will help you as they go along. And lo and behold, nalaman nga na Melchor and Flor are together. So I was so happy. I was so happy back then, knowing that both of them will take care of each other. Kaya masaya-masaya kami noon. And I know it will not only be a success for themselves, but will be it's a merging of two talents. It will be a merging of Quezonians together. Kaya sabi ko, they are blessed, and we are blessed as a community for having the two of them together and for having Flor with us for the shortest while that we have been there. So nakita ko yung kanilang success. Their success is our success. The success of Flor is not only the success of Flor and Melchor, it's the success of everybody in the community. It has shown how much leadership, how much quality of being just Quezonian will help the community, will help the business prosper. So, gusto ko sana bigyan natin ng napakalakas na palakpakan si Flor Mendiolaco. She deserves all the accolade. Deserves all the accolade in the world. And ang napalitan niya namin when last year, we were not able to attend and all the celebrations last year because we were in the Philippines. We were actually taking care of some business and taking care of the Typhoon Haiyan relief. Napalitan namin si Melchor emailing everybody, and I think somebody else from PCC team that hadn't heard the bad news, and I was so distraught. Even Roosevelt was saying, wow, how could this happen to us? How could this happen to a really, really nice woman, nice girl? How could it ever happen? And the only answer we can tell everybody is that, you know, good people always comes out last, comes out first. Maganda po yun, kasi I know, I'm pretty sure na si Flor ngayon, tinitingnan tayo sa taas, and guiding everybody here right now, guiding Melchor, guiding her sisters, guiding us to make this community better. Napakaganda ho niya kasi she always request for unity. Yun ang po napakagandang kagawian niya. Let us all unite. We are one community. That's what she keeps on telling me. And I believe her. I believe her because with unity, we can get all the success that we can. With unity, we can be successful as one community. So, Flor, for you, you are the best that we can ever have here in the world. So, maraming salamat for your short time with us here in Toronto, for your short time with us here in Canada, and your short time with us here in the world. So, Flor, maraming salamat. And then, Melchor, thank you for being with her for the short time that she can be. So, Melchor, parapakan din po natin si Melchor who really took care of her. Ilang po masasabi ko, I'm so touched and I felt overwhelmed kasi a good friend has passed away, but we know memories will last forever. Nandyan po tayo lahat, nasa puso po natin lahat yan, sa puso ni Melchor, sa puso ng kanyang mga kapatid, sa puso natin lahat. Flor, we will always remember you and thank you for being with us. Thank you.
Thank you, Senator Enverga. Beautiful memories of Senator Flor. At lahat po naman tayo.
Kung ay padala ng Department of Tourism kami may trade show sa Mabuhay Festival. Yun po ay yung sa CNE na Let's Go to the X. Ang feature country ho ng Thailand ay Philippines. Nung kami nakita ni Flor, tapos lagi kami magkasama kasi siya ho presidente na Sariaya at ako yung taga Sariaya din ho. Eh, medyo marunong ako sumayaw. Kaya ako kami doon sa sayaw nga nagkaayos. Medyo wala naman ako trabaho ng time na yun. Kaya gumagawa po ako ng mga kakanin. Tapos ay tinutulungan ko ako ni Flor na mag-deliver ng mga kakanin. Kaya ako nagkaroon ng LP sa tulong po ni Flor sa akin. At kaya po nabuo yung hindi ko naman namin pinangarap na lumaking ganito. Nakatulad na nakikita naman yun. Pero siguro biyaya ng Diyos. Biyaya ng pong may kapal. Ang lahat ng ito. Kaya po nangyayari lahat ng mga bagay na ito. Kasi may mga pangyayari ng kay Flor ngayon na nawala siya sa akin. Nawala ko sa akin. Talagang mahirap na wala siya. Pero pinipilit at kinakaya ko gawin sa tulong ng aking mga empleyado. Sana mo naman supportahan niyo ako kahit na wala na ako sa Flor. Sabi ito pa po. Maraming salamat ko. Huwag kang mag-alala. Gagawin ko ang aking magagawa para mapaulat pa ang kaya. Ilang po at maraming salamat.
Okay, yan po si Flor. At kaya nga po sinabi ni Senator Enverga. Let's give a big round of applause to Flor Villanueva with a standing ovation. Okay, you deserve it with a Flor. Thank you po sa inyong lahat at marami pong pagkain and kung pwede po kayo